Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am thankful to our Mufti Sahib and our principal Madarasa Nadvi Sahib for giving me this opportunity. Honorable President and respected teacher and my dear friends, in first session we started from introduction. After that, Mufti Sahib's father gave us some advices like how to connect with people friendly. And he gave one more example that honeybee goes to every flower. And he said, if somebody argues with you, so you have to control your tongue, your anger, and you have to have patience. After that, Mufti Sahib called his all students to deliver speeches. After their speeches, he took our summary about his speeches. From their speeches, I have learned many things, like what's the benefit of unity and what's the status of mother in Islam, and to whom we have to make our role model, and how to start and conclude speech by different sentences. After that he taught us how to become expert in English language. For that we have to listen and watch videos in English language. Then he taught us benefit of listening. There are four benefits of listening. First, listening activity provide us accent. Second, body language. Third, correct pronunciation. Fourth, what speaker have studies for delivering speech, we are getting that free of cost. After that, he said there are three type of vocabulary. First is religious vocabulary. Third is common vocabulary. The second is common vocabulary. Third is modern vocabulary. Then he commanded us to deliver speech in every month, in every week, and debate at least twice in a month to improve English. Then he taught how to listen video efficiently. There are three steps. First, listen with video with written form. Second, with subtitles. Third, neither written form nor subtitle. Just watching by listening. Then second day he taught us about Arabic. He taught Arabic as he taught English. On both languages we have to apply same method for listening and watching. Whatever word come out through the tongue, it's called beneficial sentence. This is called of Imam Ibn Hisham rahimahullah. If no one is there to listen your speech, then record yourself and listen afterward what you did instead. Listening to native speaker give us benefit that they speak easy language as compared non-native speaker. They don't add any flavors. They only speak their particular language. Use mirror to talk yourself while no one is there to listen your talk. Connect yourself Quran and observe which word is verb, which is subject, which is object. Quran divided in three parts. First is in stories, second in commands, third in signs. Nishaniyat. We need to connect link between Quran and science. Then he taught about grammar like regular and irregular verb, helping verbs, modals verb, causative, phrasal. Then he taught about conditional. There are four types of conditional: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. Then he said question plus question never come, and statement plus question never come, and future plus future never come. And now phrasal verb is backbone of English language. Then before this we visited in computer lab also. There Sajid sir said us how he teach his student and what's in their syllabus. For example, he teach them theory. Second, in hand experience of computer. Third, what to check while purchasing electronic. Fourth, knowledge about hardwares and softwares. Fifth, and what type of technology is going on currently. We should know that. Sixth, he teach them at least 2 or 3 software to be master in it. Seventh, how to be safe from virus, frauds. And in the last day, we have learned regarding literature and finding out phrasal from content and use in our own sentence. And he gave us example, Urdu is like open door, which is and open door which is stopping us from learning English language. So if we want to learn English language, first we have to close the door. In the last, our principal gave us some advices that we have to always remember four alif in our life. First is sincerity. Second is firmness. What is this? Persistence. Third is speciality, means imtiaz. Fourth is sacrificing. And after this, all responsibility. These 4 days were very beneficial for me. This sentence I took from Musab bin Omer stories. How beneficial it is for us that we came here to attend this training. Thank you, Mufti Sahib, and our principal from bottom of my heart. Here I conclude my speech.